Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Monday the 24th of March and as you can see I'm on the bridge and I'm looking at the Chapel Street, Bonny Street, Central Drive, Blackpool Central Development, and we can see both Skylar and Desmond working on this same bit. Can I just come down here, I wonder? I'm just trying to get a good view. It's slightly crooked, but if I zoom in a wee bit, can we get like that? That should be alright. It's a bit crooked, but maybe I need to do that a bit. What about that, guys? Skylar isn't in this picture, but Skylar's not moving right now, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I have just been down to Bonny Street, and the reason it's closed seems to be nothing to do with this development. It's a gigantic hoist there, but you've possibly already seen that video because it will have been uploaded before this one. A gigantic crane, and it looks like it's just lifting rubbish and stuff off the roof of the Sea Life Centre, and my partner says that they appear to be about to refelt the roof because he spotted some packets of roof felt around. So yeah, that's what's happening on Bonny Street at the moment. So I guess we were all wrong. People said there was a wall coming down. Somebody initially said the bridge was coming down, which was also my first thought. And we can peep, if you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but baby Desmond seems to be in the old car park and is scooping and shuffling things out towards Desmond, so maybe you can see him in the video. I don't really want to zoom right in. He's gone off now, I can see his backlight, but he came right up close to Desmond then. We're just going to stick around here for a while and watch, because I know you guys just like to watch the demolition going on. So it looks like we're still on a levelling and clearing up mission. The latter half of last week and certainly this morning haven't seen that much actual demolition, but we've been on these demolitions before for sure. If you've been with me for a while, I've filmed a lot of these demolitions. This definitely isn't our first rodeo. And this is probably going to be the biggest one we've filmed. I mean, Wilco's was quite big, and St Chad's was a big old demolition, that was fun. But this one, just for the sheer size, if you factor in the entire thing, like the entire car park, court buildings and police station and surrounding car park platforms and stuff, it's like massive. Desmond seems to have stopped now, so come on guys, it's not break time. They're normally back on the brakes, back from the brakes by now. Everything's gone quiet over there. Desmond has stopped. Skylar has stopped. Can't really see anything. Should we just have a little mosey walk around and just see what we can see. Oh, that always works, doesn't it? Whenever I say, oh, I'm going to do something else, things start up again. Yeah, Desmond's turned back on again now. And he's got his grabby head on. He's not got his dinosaur grabber, he's got his pick stuff up off the floor grabber. But for sure, it's a fairly quietish day today here at the site, but I do want to give you guys proper progress reports, you know. I don't want to just like come down every 3 weeks when something big's happening, because it'll just look like you've missed big chunks. So I think these bits, they're kind of, you know, necessary. Let's turn around a bit. There you go, that's the most action you're going to get in the video, me turning the camera around a bit. At least you're getting to see something, even if it's not like, oh my gosh, what's happening on the site today? Crash, change, crumble, dust. Oh, Desmond, you're moving again. Of course you're moving, because I turned the camera around. He's going on a merry old journey. Where are you going now, Desi? Come on. Hiding behind the trees. Come on, Desmond, come out again. Is he going to go all the way down the other way, or is he going to come back where he was? He seems like the water cannon is still over on Chapel Street, so he could be turning round. Nope, he appears to be going back. Maybe he's just testing his platform, you know. Because there's definitely made like a nice demolition platform. Maybe he's just testing how stable that is, I don't know. Well, looks like he's adding the finishing touches. Oh, he's also stopped now. Well, guys, I mean, I hope nobody has actually fainted with excitement during this video. I really do. Like, I know your heart rate must be racing. There's so much like excitement going on. Well guys, I think for now this is going to be a good natural stopping point for this one, because there's not much happening. I'm going to zoom all the way out again. There we go, all the way out. We have one last time across the whole site. See the police station there, you can see Lofty, the big hoist there. See the tower, the Blackpool Central car park. We can see the back of the pub, the King Edward VII, that's on Central Drive. You can see the top of Central Drive there, and if we come all the way around there, we can see, or maybe you can see it in the video, right in the background, right off into the distance, Blackpool Bloomfield Road football ground. But for now, I am going to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.